The National Health Fund says investigations are still ongoing into the source and extent of a breach after hackers claim to have gained access to sensitive client information. As we hear in this report, the NHF says it has full control of its systems and has advised certain clients of the potential threat. Jamila Maitland reports.
CEO of the National Health Fund, Everton Anderson, says the agency has contacted its clients whose data might have been compromised in a recent cybersecurity breach.
The initial information we have, it was very few pieces of sensitive information that we saw, so those persons have been contacted. So the extent of it is still being investigated.
The NHF is a government agency that assists citizens with affordable health care. As of 2025, the NHF said it had over 355,000 active beneficiaries. Speaking on RJR's Beyond the Headlines Wednesday, Mr. Anderson explained that neither the extent of the breach is fully known nor the source of the hack. The matter is being investigated by a team of specialists.
I cannot confirm at this time the extent of the breach because it is something that is being investigated actively. In fact, we have a team, including our internal team, external consultants, and other experts doing a comprehensive investigation.
According to the NHF, the agency became aware of the breach via email. TVJ News was unable to ascertain whether any demands were made. The CEO revealed, however, that the agency has full control of its databases.
We can confirm that we're in full control of our systems. We're not seeing any evidence of that.
Okay.
What it would appear is that there's some amount of breach. The information we have doesn't point at this time to an extensive breach, but we are investigating it fully to determine the extent of the situation. And given this space we're in terms of a health space, our commitment is to be fully open, be fully transparent, and to communicate to our customers as the information emerges.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.